Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to use if function in Excel. Make sure to watch the video till end. In description I have shared the file path. There is an exercise for practice. Do the exercise and share the solution in comment section. If function is one of the most widely used functions in Excel. It is used for decision making. It helps you to make logical comparison and returns a value if given condition is true, and it will return another value if the given condition is false. If function can be used to evaluate both text and numbers. If function take three parameters. In first parameter, we specify the condition using comparison or logical operators. In second parameter, we specify the value to return if condition is true. And in third parameter, we specify the value to return if condition is false. In the data, student name and total marks are given. To show the result as per the condition, we will use if statement. To show the result as per the condition, in C2 type equals to if open bracket, the condition is total mark should be greater than 80. So select B2 greater than 80, comma. In second parameter, type pass in double quotes, and in third parameter, type fail in double quotes, closing bracket. Now, as per the function, if total marks is greater than 80, then result will be pass, and if total mark is not greater than 80, then if function will return fail. Press enter and result will be displayed as per the condition. Use autofill to copy the formula in remaining rows, and Excel will show the result for each student as per the corresponding marks. Now you can use mathematical operators to perform the calculation in second or third parameter. In the example, to show percentage of marks, if result is pass, then in D2 type equals to if open bracket, select the cell which showing the result. So I have selected C2 equals to pass, comma, do the percentage calculation. Total marks multiply by 100 divided by 200, comma. If the condition fails, means result is not pass, then type fail in double quotes, closing bracket, and press enter. Now use autofill feature of Excel to copy the formula in each cell, and the percentage column will show the percentage of total marks if the result is pass. If the result is fail, percentage column is also showing fail. If you have multiple conditions to check which depends on each other, then nested if function is used. It means multiple if function inside each other. In nested if functions, the second or third parameter is replaced by another if statement. Now in the example, student names and their marks in English and math subjects are given. As per the condition, if in any subject the marks is less than or equals to 40, then result should show fail, and if in both subjects mark is greater than 40, then result will be pass. So for the first student, to show the result in E2 column, type equals to if open bracket, first we will check the marks in first subject, select P2. If it's less than or equals to 40, if this condition is true, then result will be fail. If the condition fails, means in first subject the marks is greater than 40, then we will check the marks in second subject. We will use if statement again. If open bracket, will check marks in second subject. If it is less than or equals to 40, then the result will be fail. If both conditions failed, that means in both subjects student get more than 40 marks, the result will be pass. So write pass in double quotes, closing bracket for both if statements, press enter, and the result will be displayed as per the condition. Copy the formula using autofill in remaining cells, and for the students who get less than 40 in any subject, result is fail. You can use 40 nested if statement. So in another example, I have added one more subject with marks. Now in results, we will check marks of all the three separately to get the result. So for the first student, type equals to if open bracket, select B2. If it is less than equals to 40, type fail in double quotes, comma. If the marks is greater than 40, then we will check the marks in second subject. So again, we will use if statement, open bracket, check the marks in second subject, less than equals to 40. If condition is true, then again it is fail, comma. If he get more than 40 in second subject also, then we will check marks in third subject. So again, we will use if statement. If select third subject, that is D2, is less than equals to 40. If condition is true, fail. If all the three condition is not true, that means in all the three subject, student gets more than 40, the result will be pass. So type pass in double quotes and closing bracket for all the three if statements. Press enter and the result is displayed. Copy the formula in remaining cells and fail will be displayed if student get less than or equals to 40 marks in any one of the subject. In this video, we have learned how to use if statement and nested if statements. I have added the file path in the video description section. Download the file and complete the exercise. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and share your feedback, suggestions and query in comment section. Thank you.